I'm packing for a summer weekend trip to a North Florida State Park with my mom. I'm going camping in Florida in midsummer. We're lucky if we get set up in time to avoid the rain before we're done setting up, because you don't want to set up in the rain unless you have to. So here is the campsite. Look at this. It's got running water. This is not primitive camping at all. The doggies. This band looks like it's moving fairly quickly and should be over in just a number of minutes. We got the tent set up, but then it started raining right as we were putting the rain fly on. Before the mosquitoes have their way with me. Repel. Deet. These showers will end, but it's kind of annoying so far because I just want them to get away. The rain finally stopped, which is nice. You stuck, Gracie? You stuck? The ground in Florida is all sand. It's so sandy, which means that's associated with ocean. This, at one point, was underwater. All of this. Found this rock here that is water smoothed, which probably means it was from when this was ocean. I got two new items for this camping trip, the Climate Static V and the Climate Pillow X Large. This Climate Static V sleeping pad is a summer pad, or it might go as 3-season, I think. It's mostly for warmer weather because it has an R value of 1.3 ASTM. So this is not a pad I'd be taking to a northern mountain range in January or March. I got my Soto Amicus backpacking stove, which is light for when I go on backpacking trips. It's very light, very good quality stove made in Japan. Okay, there. Make sure it's off. Yeah. Hot dogs are boiling hot, and the beans.
have more drinking water?
Yeah. You can see that it's already boiling. And here we have it. We didn't want to pay for firewood, too cheap for that, and you're not allowed to collect wood at this park, so I got this log and I'm gonna light it. It says it lasts 1.5 hours. The Duraflame 1.5 hour long log. I can't get the match lit. There we go. I don't know about this. I have an idea. Let's see if this works. A lot of matches, but this should get the fire going. Success. The log is lit. So, Muma, tell me the bear story.
So, years ago, let me backtrack first. When I was very young, my parents bought a cabin in Northern California on the Yuba River. And we went up there from the time I was 3 years old till way into my probably 30s. Anyway, so way back years ago, I actually was not up there that trip, but my dad, who was a college professor, would take his students up there once a year. So anyway, he was up there. Actually, you know, he may not have had, when I think about the students up there that time, but anyway, he was up there. My mom and I and the other siblings, I don't think we were there. But anyway, some young college students asked him if they minded if they camped in our little, you know, in the front area of the cabin. It was like a little open area, kind of nice little open area, kind of gravelly and nice, and good place, you know, to throw a sleeping bag down, very level. So my dad said sure. So the next morning, my dad was up early, and the kitchen window faced out there where they were all sleeping, and he saw a black bear sniffing each of them in their sleeping bags as they slept. I believe it was sniffing one of the girls.
That's less than ideal.
Yeah, and but no, it was fine. He just sniffed them all, and then he went on his merry way. They luckily did not wake up, which was probably a good thing, because goodness knows what would have happened if they would have woken up, especially a girl screaming, you know. So anyway, so yeah, that was the bear story. We had many neat things, or you know, experiences up there over the years.
So it's getting pretty late. Fire's starting to die down because that log doesn't last all that long. Gonna get to bed. Thanks again for watching.